visiting the station. Comparatively not that much.
Excited? I don't know.
You can feel the excitement.
Come on. The pulp completely.
Oh god.
It's like
This advertisement, mango advertisement. Maaza
But it looks nice watching her eat it.
Yes.
Oh god.
Maaza advertisement.
Citrus. High dose of citrus. But it's nice. Have it completely.
There you go. Oh god, it looks yum, man. Oh shit,
Yeah.
I'm too excited to try it now.
Look at her nails, man. Like, it's intense.
How is it?
See my eyes watering.
She liked it or what?
Yeah, she's going again and
More
again.
and more.
Yeah, I think a new addiction has.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to fully squeeze this inside my mouth. Okay,
Shit.
one time. I can't take second time.
That's a great challenge.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
It's a good idea. Smart.
Okay.
Shit, I can see it.
Oh my god. I'm getting goosebumps.
Oh.
How is it?
Watery eyes.
Oh, that feel.
Oh my god, my whole mouth watering.
I saw juice coming out
Shit.
and dripping. Seeing that, I'm getting the feeling. Okay. Are you crying? Oh. After you taken?
Oh shit. Lit, you should stop eating the lemon.
It's intense. But it's so good.
Oh yeah, you have to eat it. Oh my god.
Squeezing all the flavor into mouth.
I think next person should go. Done. I think it's better this time.
Now it's good.
How's it you? Explain
Little
what you're
bitter.
feeling.
Bitter.
You're getting the skin taste also.
Yeah.
Bitter.
I think I took everything.
That's good. You want one more piece? We have a lot of pieces.
Nice. Done.
Bite.
Yeah.
Take a big bite, like squeeze it inside and like.
I think you should eat a whole lemon. Since
She
you like
can.
it so much.
She can.
Yeah.
She's able to.
Is this the first time you're trying it?
Yeah. This is the first time.
Oh.
Generally, I like lemon. I'll add extra lemon in everything I eat. But this is like too
Yeah.
intense. But I saw it.
One last bite.
I can.
You're gonna eat the right one.
Yeah, chew it and have it.
Whoa. Okay. Going extremes.
It's nice. It's addicting. Like the more I eat, more I feel like eating it more and more.
Yeah, even I also felt the same.
My lip is little cut, so it's paining there. But apart from that, everything else is simply amazing. Great experience.
Awesome.
Awesome.
But you like it.
Dude, it's not sour. It's really good.
Yeah, that's
Good. It's good.
Nice
You got
lemons.
saturated because of
Expressions.
I'm telling you, we shouldn't even bother drinking lime juice. This is the thing. It's so good. It is so good. You guys should try it.
Tomorrow. Jury.
Tomorrow is jury.
Yeah.
Bro, TD we didn't do.
You guys didn't start.
We didn't even start.
We have.
What is your jury about?
It's time.
It's the and die.
We need to dye
Some white fabric, white clothes.
So you guys
take
use
time.
like natural dyes?
One day
We have already bought
dyes.
dyes.
We have.
We just have to do them.
I think lemons are also used to dye. Yeah.
No idea. No,
Just being on the topic of lemons.
So I think we can quickly start.
Yeah, one day overnight we need to keep.
Yeah,
Okay, then
That
tomorrow
can be
is
done.
the jury
We
and
can
they're gonna
start.
start now.
This is always happen, guys.
This one
This is how designers work.
Works turn out the best. So way to go.
This is so interesting. So
You guys
it's
are gonna
like
kill it.
very
Okay, let's start.
Let's start jury work.
Yes, come on, guys. We all will help together.
Yes. One more bite and.
So we got white dress.
Okay. We
We
have
are
to
ready for
white
tie and dye. Now we need water and we need to soak it first. We want to soak the t-shirt and shirt.
Okay.
Maybe some 10-15 minutes we can keep it like this inside water.
Okay.
We'll need to keep it longer time. Then
Yeah.
already started raining.
Oh my god.
It's raining.
Oh, it's raining.
I think we can get the table.
Yeah. We can shift all these things there.
We can keep here.
So guys, everything is ready here. All the ingredients are here. We have salt, soda ash,
Water and 3 dice, 3 cold dice.
and also we kept the place also set with muslin cloth and also plastic cover, so the nothing will fall into the table and it will spoil. So everything is ready here.
We'll start mixing.
We'll
Yeah.
start the dye mixing process.
Yeah. And it's also raining here. Hello.
I was just wondering how did this rain start suddenly.
Okay.
For both of them, yellow, blue and red.
Yeah,
So we have to mix it with water.
Now we'll mix each colors with water, soda ash and salt.
Yeah. So this is the next process.
3 primary colors. Is blue a primary color?
Now we need
Yeah.
to add salt and soda ash.
Okay.
To prepare the dye into 3% of dye, we have added around 20 grams of soda ash and around 240 grams of common salt.
Everything is dissolved. So dye preparation is done, completed. We have the 3 different color dyes.
Now we'll take the clothes. We'll have to do the tying part.
Yeah. So we'll go to the next process.
Yeah.
I will tie. Tying of
So we soaked for almost 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, more than that we kept in water, and now the cloth is ready.
So
Perfectly ready for dyeing process. It's white in color now. After some time it won't be.
how it turns.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Cool. Let's go.
We'll go for the next process.
I'm squeezing, just crumbling it. Okay, now need to put rubber band.
Okay.
Shit, this is so big.
Anywhere you can.
Anywhere. This is
It's a
such
random pattern.
freedom technique.
So this is my last rubber band.
Cool.
Done.
Perfectly packed. And ready for
Dyeing.
Dyeing. Dyeing in colors.
Big one.
I think we can start with the process.
I'm just making patches here and there,
Okay.
not filling it,
Dye is spreading perfectly.
so that I'll get blue, yellow, and white in between.
Okay.
So even if it doesn't get spread completely, I can be on a safer side. Yeah. It should probably reach the other side, but not the right plate to use.
Shit, the colors are perfectly spread.
Yeah, there is green in between too.
Yeah.
Because I finished it. So I'm going to apply red. I'm not pouring it, I'm using brush. So wherever I need, I can drip it. I'm also applying like different places, not in one place, like patches. So I need to use one more color for this. In between I can fill with yellow. Okay. So I'm adding yellow in between the red. Maybe I can leave some white also.
Yeah.
Here and there.
And
you will have a lot of oranges in between.
Yeah, I need orange also.
Now we need to wrap it in some plastic sheets so that it doesn't get spread to anywhere else.
Okay.
And keep it for one day and open it tomorrow and know what the pattern is.
Great.
Then we'll understand what is what. We'll pack up. Yeah, we'll pack. I think more red. Oh, shit. Tightly packed.
Tightly packed so that it won't be, dye won't escape out.
Yeah. Every dye.
I think we can keep it overnight. Let it.
Yeah, let it get.
Yeah.
So we completed
Finally
our
done with
jury
the jury work.
Yay. Hi guys. So we completed. No, not completed. Halfway done with our jury work. There are some more processes left. But today's episode.
Dyeing is done till now, and tomorrow we have the rest. We need to untie it, we need to wash it, we need to do a lot of processes to make it into a wearable form.
Yeah. So today's episode we were not able to show that. So what we thought is we'll summarize the processes.
So the first process was to soak the fabric, collect a white fabric, white cloth, something that you can wear, maybe stained or whatever.
Any fabric.
Yeah, and soak it in water for like around half an hour at least. Soak it well so that dye will go inside, and then the next step is to prepare the dye.
So we need to select like what all colors you need, which dye you need. Then other thing is salt, like common salt. We are adding in that, and
Then
also
soda
soda ash.
And water. These are the 4 things that we need to prepare the dye. What we used is cold brand reactive dye, and to that we need to add like we have added now 20 grams of soda ash, 240 grams of common salt and water to make the correct amount of dye.
And we mixed it with the dye, and we prepared the dye. After that, we took the cloth from the water and we removed all the water.
From that, and then what we did was the crumpling technique. We, as you saw, we just crumpled all the fabric, tied it with rubber bands, and there are a lot of
other techniques.
like
Not only this technique, there are a lot of other techniques like you can try it. So this is the only one technique we showed.
The whole pattern depends on how you tie the,
Yeah.
how you put the tie, how you squeeze it, how you crumble it, how you keep the dye on it. So then we applied the dye in like just random
patterns. So like you can use any, like how much ever colors you need. We use just two colors
each.
So there are many any way, like it's all your wish. So any color you can use. So this is everything tied and packed. So we are keeping it overnight today, and tomorrow only we are opening. That surely we'll show it in next episode. So we what we thought is, as you guys want to know, we thought of showing
our already done work. This is something that we already did before.
Yeah.
With a similar technique, tie and dye with the same colors.
Yeah.
So this is how it will
Turns.
look like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not exactly, but
Yeah,
almost same.
almost similar thing we did before. So the patterns and all almost similar. I don't know what will come.
It's all abstract patterns. So what we get tomorrow, it's like it will
That will be
new.
different.
Very nice.
But yeah, almost it will be similar like this.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. And this is a very simple technique. There is nothing that is not available. Everything is available nearby. You can get
Buy it.
anything, and you can
Even in
Definitely
online, you can get them.
Get
Yeah,
if
definitely
you
there are
try this.
restrictions.
yeah, if it's not available also no problem. There are many other natural dyes like onion peels and turmeric that easily
Pomegranate
available
peels.
things. That
Yeah.
these all things can be used for tie and dye. Like we can try it once, and
Yeah,
if
like
you guys
we
want to
show.
know, just comment below like whatever you want. Like we are ready to show you because of the vlog. We are not giving detailed things. We can
We are just
give-
showing up in the surface. So you have seen us doing a lot of
All-
other works like,
draping, garment
cutting,
construction.
like a lot of things. So if you guys want to know that in more detail, you can just tell us. We'll surely show another video about that.
Yes, sure.
Just let us know in the comment box.
Yes. Bye guys.
Bye.
Good night.
Okay, so these guys are up to some real cool stuff. So let's go check it out. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you guys up to?
We are editing the video for
Editing today's video.
Ah, okay.
We're gonna air it tonight.
Looks interesting and colorful. Look at this
It's about time.
big screen.
Yeah.
Tie and dye.
Yeah.
And this is going on air today.
Yeah. Tonight.
Tonight.
Immediately, right now.
I can see the intensity of the edits.
We have a lot of like college works going on in between. We are like quickly finishing the editing. So if there is any mistake, guys, please forgive us.
We really have limited time for editing and shooting.
And we have a lot of retakes that is like a lot of things.
A lot of mistakes, retakes,
We're
reshoots.
going through a lot of videos and it's taking time. And we're learning a lot of new things about like camera.
Editing and all, like a lot of filtration happening, a lot of content mistakes we're understanding.
Nice.
So,
So
enlightenment.
what is this cool software that you guys are using?
We use for editing. We use two softwares. One is Premiere Pro, and second one is DaVinci Resolve 17. Premiere Pro is much friendly. We know more about Premiere Pro. It's user friendly. DaVinci Resolve we just started, so we don't know much about, and we're still struggling.
We'll get used to it, but Premiere Pro is much more like we know it more and we do it all the time.
Nice.
So guys, today's episode will air soon. So guys, if you like today's episode, please like, and if you have any comments, please comment on down below, and also subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon.
Yeah, guys. Now we'll see all the work that's going behind this. So please, 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 a humble request, support us, stay with us, encourage us.
So guys, good night.
Bye.